how to redeem Roblox gift card on PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open, of course, our Roblox right here. So we should do that on our browser. So once you have opened your account on your browser, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar, and then on this part you will see this home. So I want you to replace it into redeem. So just type redeem right there and then click enter. Once you've entered that, once you've clicked that, you will be redirected on this page wherein you will now be able to redeem the codes that you have on your gift card. So all you have to do is to enter the gift card right here, whether it is a physical gift card or a digital gift card. So just put the code right here. So let's say, for example, that this is the code of your gift card. So just put it right here and then click this one and then click redeem. So once you've clicked redeem right there, you should now be able to redeem the Roblox gift card that you have, and it should now pop up right here on your account. So whether it is a Robux, so you can also do that right here. Let's go back on the home page. You can also do that by just clicking this gift cards right here. So once you click gift cards, you will be redirected right here and then click redeem card right there. So that also works. So it's up to you, but I will recommend you to just change the link, which is right here, and then type redeem. So that is basically it. That is how to redeem Roblox gift card on PC.